hello, welcome to my channel Basic Maths Concepts. How are you all? I'm thinking you are fine. I'm very fine. Now coming to the topic of chapter 2 polynomials of x is 2.5. In previous video I have completed the 8th bit, that is how to factor each of the following. Now coming to the 9th bit, it is a verification that x plus y cube is equals to, we have to verify that x plus y of x square minus xy plus y square. Same second one as this, x minus y cube is equals to x minus y and x square plus y plus y square. So coming to first one and second one, this is a minus term and this is, it is same like you think that identity a plus b whole square, and this is a minus b whole. So two are like plus and minus. I'm saying for your better understanding, that is in the formula, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Now coming to the first one, that is x plus y whole cube. So we have to prove that this is the product of this x plus y whole cube, we have to prove. So now coming to the first one. So RHS is equals to x plus y plus whole cube. X plus y of x square plus minus xy plus whole square. Yes. So of x square minus xy plus y square. So we can multiply with the binomials. You have learned in 8th class. So now multiplying the binomials. So we have to multiply x with this whole term and y with this whole term. So x of x square plus minus xy plus y square of plus is we are having, so plus of x square minus xy plus y square. So now multiplying this whole term. So by multiplying the whole term we'll get x square into x is x cube minus x square y plus xy square and plus x square y and minus xy square, 2 y's are there, so y square and plus y cube. So now cancellation we can do. We are having cancellation here. X square y and minus plus x square y gets cancelled and plus y x square y and minus x square y plus get cancelled. So we have the remaining. So we have remaining. We have x cube plus y cube. See. So we got LHS by substituting RHS. We got LHS. So therefore, hence proved. So we got the answer. So therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, this is the answer of. So like this we have to prove, and we have to multiply the binomials, and we have to cancel these terms, that is plus minus and plus minus. So you got the LHS, that is x plus y whole cube. So coming to the second one, that is x minus y cube and x is equals to, we have to prove this x minus y is equals to x square plus xy plus y square. So we have to prove. So same like first one, I am taking that RHS only. So RHS is equals to x minus y of x square plus xy plus y square. So here also same as usual, I like first one, multiply the binomials first. So by multiplying binomials, x of x square plus xy plus y square of minus, so minus y of x square plus xy plus y square. So now by we have read multiplication binomials. So multiply the whole term, that is this implies x square into x is equals to x cube plus 2x are there, so x square y plus xy square as it is and minus x square and y. So we can write like this also, y square y of x square, or also we can write x square y. So nothing will happen. So plus into minus, so minus xy square and plus into minus, sorry, we'll get here as minus, so minus y cube. So now here also we also have the multiple, you can divisible and we can have cancellation also. So x plus x square y and minus x square plus y gets cancelled, and plus y square and minus xy square also get cancelled. So we got the remaining term as x cube minus y cube. See, we got the LHS, that is x minus y whole cube. So therefore, hence proved, we got the solution, we got the verification. So therefore, we have tried the last term mainly. You have for this only we get half mark in your exam. So you have must write the last sentence, that is hence proved and LH is equals to RHS. In word problems we have to write what they have to prove. We have to write suppose you take surface area and volumes. Suppose they ask the surface area TSA of the cuboid, you think. So right here that they exactly you have to write TSA of cuboid is equal, therefore answer is equals to TSA of cuboid is equals to something, what you got the answer, that answer we should write. So keep in your mind that the last sentence is very important, that is word problems or quadratic equations or this verification of some, that is something keep aside. So we have just must write the last sentence, that is carries half mark in your exams. So this is 2 marks, this is 2 marks question, this is 2 marks question, that is verification. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Basic Maths Concepts. Thank you.